How to know if your blender works or your motor works without the jack? You see, with the jack, there's a dot here which shows where the lever for the jack must go to in order to activate this switch here. This white thing here, it's a safety switch that needs to be activated by the jack. But if you don't have the jack, you have the motor, and you want to assure it to check if the motor works, you can use anything like a key. You plug it in, you press it down, you put it on. If there's nothing wrong with the motor should be able to run. Then you're good to go. You know you're safe, that your motor is working. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.